reste-t-il de nos amours? Que reste-t-il de ces beaux jours? Une photo, vieille photo de ma jeunesse. Que reste-t-il des billets doux, des mois d'avril, des rendez-vous, des souvenirs qui me poursuivent sans cesse? Bonheur fané, cheveux au vent.
Yo, this difference is crazy. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my eye with concealer. I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply it with a ColourPop E4 brush. So I've just applied the shade to my lid and a little bit under my eyes to, you know, to hide those pesky dark circles that I got going on. Now that's done, I'm going to take a Morphe brush and pack a black shade onto my lid. The black shade I'm using is from the Karity Matte palette. This shade right here. Pat, 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 pat. Go ahead and use some swiping motions to round it out a little bit. What the fuck is going on with my eyebrow? Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take my Stacey Marie Carnival palette. This palette is bomb. If you don't have one yet, I suggest you get one. The next shade I'm going to use above the black is going to be the shade Rowdy, which is this really nice warm brown shade. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video because I want it to be very quick and I have things to do. I'm going to use a Morphe M441 brush, which is a slightly bigger fluffy round brush. Can you speak today? I'm just gonna go ahead and put that above the brown. Do little scratchy motions, like you know, got a little scratch going. I just love how pigmented this palette is, guys. It's just like sometimes pigment is just so hard to come by, or it's chalky, or it's patchy. I have a few palettes that have a few shades that happens in. Consistency is key. Go ahead and continue to blend that out and round it out towards the outer V of your eye. Wham! I'm now going to take the shade Basic. And I'm going to apply that right above so you have a nice transition of colors on your eye. A little shitty accent, I'm so sorry. I'm just going to go ahead and blend using circular scratchy motions like before. Circular, circular, windshield wiper, scratchy. Catch all that? I love this palette so much. Shit, we do. Sorry, it's just great to just have a palette where every single shade has pigment. And I'm going to switch back over to the Karity palette, and I'm going to take the shade Disturbia from earlier, and I'm going to apply a little bit more of that color because it was kind of washed out by the brown when I applied it. And then blend it out some more with my Morphe M441. I will constantly switch back and forth between brushes and colors just so I have a very, very nice buttery blend. That's the kind of blend I fucking like. That's the blend you should always be trying to achieve, in my opinion. Blend that shit. I'm going to take the shade Basic, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line and buff out the color. Then back to Rowdy, add a little more deepness. Now I'm going to take Buxom's Call Me Pencil Eyeliner. It is a waterproof eyeliner. It's a very, very intense black. It's just jet black. It's phenomenal. I love it. It's like it's my favorite eyeliner. I would be so sad when it's gone. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my waterline. Now I'm using a Morphe small pencil brush. Okay, now that that part's done, the fun part is to cut the crease. I'm going to bring the crease slightly over the inner corner of my eyes, just so it opens up the eye more. And I'm recreating a look anyway, so that's what the picture looks like. But it does open up the eye more. That's probably the desired effect. As you can see, I brought the crease almost all the way across my lid, leaving the outer part open because I'm going to shade that in black. As you can see, it is mucky, so I am just going to take a Q-tip and wipe that off. So this is basically what you should have. Now, taking the Stacey Lip palette, I'm going to take the shade Queeny and apply it to the outer part of my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Crayon case GLOWcaine and apply that to the inner part of my lid. This is it. Look at it. It's sparkling. I'm going to take NYX Cosmetics Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner. This stuff is bomb. This stuff is the truth. It is my absolute favorite liquid eyeliner. And I'm not going to wing it. I'm just going to bring a line across my lid. So I'm going to use glitter, my favorite. Wear Beauty glitter in the shade All I Want for Christmas. I would show you, but it's open and I don't want it to spill trying to show you on camera. And I'll try to show you anyway. Yeah, no. It's a very pretty white champagne color. I love it. And I'm going to apply it across the top like here. And I'm going to be using Duo Lash Glue to apply, and a very small Morphe M250S brush, the precision eyeliner brush. Isn't that pretty? So now the best part, which is the Chanel logo, the whole point of this entire look. Yeah, that's next. So I'm just going to take some white face paint real quick, and I am going to draw the logo on, just so I can have the general guideline of where to put it. That's about as good as it's going to get right here. This is what it should look like, more or less. And now I'm just going to add some glitter to the top part of my brow. That's what that should look like, more or less. I like that sparkle. It's so nice. It's pretty. It's very... This is a holiday look. This is a look I wear for holidays. It is the holidays. And I'm wearing it with holidays. Shit, would you look at that? Speak things into existence. So my eyes are pretty much done, so which means this next part is completely unnecessary. And
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Now taking Artist Couture's Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Gold Digger, I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones and pretty much everywhere else I put highlight, which is everywhere. Next, I'm taking NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Cocoa and lining my lips, filling in the majority. Taking Karity Lip Block Liquid Lipstick in the shade Keen, I'm going to fill in the center and blend it out with my finger. Once done, taking Fenty's Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb, I'm going to go over my lips. Now just a second for that added wow factor, I'm gonna throw on my wig. Ooh, girl. So this is the finished look inspired by Gabrielle. She's a boss. If you don't follow her, you should, because she is an amazing artist, both on her arm and on her eyes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, go ahead and feel free to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, at @O'Malley. And besides, if you're not following me, you should. You're missing great stuff here. Anyway, until next time, Mally Cats.